Welcome back to the channel and thanks for joining us again. Yes, it's a week ago that we started fermenting the chili sauce and it's ready to be processed, and we're going to be using the fermentation kit from Beer Lab, and yeah, it did exactly as it said on the can. No problems at all. The only little drawback was the rubber seal was a little bit tricky to get in place, but once it was in place, that was it. It's sorted out. No issues with leaking or anything like that, and really a good product to invest in. For under 300 Rand, you've got something that you can carry on with forever and a day, and it's, as a starter kit, it can carry on for a long time as well. So do yourself a favor and invest in one of them. It works like a boss. Let's carry on with the process. Right folks, as promised, here is the chili sauce fermentation kit from Beer Lab. You get 3 nice little sauce bottles, a funnel with lids, then your no rinse acidic sanitizer, as well as 3 little nozzle bottle tops. Now the funnel is quite cool because in it it's also got a little filter, so you can filter down to a very smooth or thin sauce. I personally take that little thing out and use it. I like the texture of a fuller type of sauce, so I'll be taking that out for now when we bottle these now. As you can see, the little filter has been removed and the funnel is clear. We've had a bit of bubbling going on in the bottle, which is obvious and natural because we need to get the carbon dioxide out. So that's basically the bubbles that we get. And now I'm going to throw the brine off and then going to blend the chilies and the onion, the carrot and the garlic into a nice sauce. I like to use the brine as we go along to thin the sauce out as we go along, so it always comes in handy, and you can always use it for other sauces, marinades. Depends on what you want to use with a bit of a bite in it. So let's get pulsing. Just add a little bit of brine in to help it along. Now, depending on how thick or how thin you want it. Wow, this one is strong. Yeah, it's gonna knock my socks off. Yep, I think we can go with a little bit more brine and bring it down in viscosity. But this has definitely got to have some serious kick. vinegar, if you want to add it, it's purely to taste. It's not a recipe where I can tell you you need to put in 100 mils or 50 mils or a liter or whatever. Oh, that's got it, and that's a beaut. That's an absolute peach. If you have a look, this is the type of viscosity that we're looking for. But I want to add a little bit of vinegar to this, just to give it that little bit of tartness. At the moment it's all heat, and I just want to get a little bit of tartness going with it, and I'll blend it through just before we bottle. And here goes number one. Now if you want to add, you can add some cornstarch and then put it into your pot so that you can get it to thicken, and that way it prevents it from actually separating. I personally enjoy it this way. It's nice and raw, and to me it's just got a different flavor. So play with this as much as you want. There's so much you can do, different recipes you can just add. This gives you a nice base to start from, and I think the nice thing about it is you do what you want to, and it makes it special for you. If you guys like the content and want to see something else, drop us a message in the comment section and we will definitely see what we can do for you. Quite excited about what we're going to do for you for next week, and smash the like button and subscribe.